fuses, they're just covered in dirt. One of the wires, instead of going to the regulator, it actually goes straight to the front of the motorcycle into the lighting system. That took a whole day of staring and sitting and staring, and eventually this happened. It's just awesome to see. We have nothing on the starter. Is the solenoid getting power? Yes. I press the button, it should be getting 12 volts. I'm getting it, but I'm not getting any clicking or anything from the solenoid. Well, we could jump the starter. Not bad, huh? I'm pretty sure this bike has points as I'm tearing into the electrical. I didn't see a CDI box. It might take a lot of work to get this gas tank going, and I'll have to, because I have no petcock, fuel sender unit, but I think I can use this fuel sender unit from a few different GS's. So I see that 5-bolt pattern, and this was just a cover. The carbs last night, stole a hair dryer. That was a big pain, tried to slide those in. Got the stock airbox on. The mismatch wiring from the last guy has now been painter's taped up. New ground, new gas tank. There you go. What else? Battery sitting outside because this battery doesn't fit. If the battery's in there, then the airbox won't fit. In trying to flip the wires outside here and having them kind of clamped on, destroyed the ground wire coming from the bike. That's the new ground that I ran to the starter solenoid. I think that was something that the last guy was struggling with. Yep, so it's sitting here in this janky setup. That fan, it's supposed to blow out all the leaded solder fumes. It seems like it just recirculates them. So yeah, it's not starting. So nothing was happening at first. I have voltage going to the ignition, lights do turn on. I'm going to try to fire up with these carbs now being cleaned. I did blow out a fuse, I replaced that fuse. That's the update. GS1000 project continues. Taking one step forward, few step backward. What are you working on today, Jay?
I'm loosening the bolts.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the carbs off again, and we need Jay's steady hand to get in there and take the intake boots, loosen them up. So we got.
Just saying, I made a discovery. These are magnetic to the screwdriver.
Oh ho ho! Sweet. Can you use the screwdriver to fish out the screws if we drop them?
Okay, so I loosened both of them.
Okay, buddy. All right. Yep. I'll set up the light for you to get around to the other side. Well, you can also get the carb boots off right now. So you have one here and one back there, so you'll be completely done.
Get them off?
Yeah, just, oh, no, you just loosen them up today. Yeah, we're
Like the other ones.
yep, exactly.
Got a leak, and these carbs are way out of sync. Starts up fine. Did the slide adjustment. I'm starting to figure that out. My air screws are kind of all over the place.